Yeah. VQ. Badman.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is a vegan recipe. You guys are asking me how to make cheese. Vegan cheese in your kitchen, fast, easy and simple. I'll show you how to make this one.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
You're going to need almond milk. I'm using carrots for this recipe. Now, if you don't want to use carrots, you could use pumpkin too. Pumpkin is really, really good for this recipe. You can even use sweet potato, or maybe you call it yams. I'm going to add some cashew, paprika, nutritional yeast, cumin is right here. And I'm adding some vegetable oil, salt and black pepper is right here. And I'm also going to use lemon juice for this recipe. Now, if you don't want to go the lemon juice route, you can always use vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is best, but I prefer to use lemon juice in mine. Now, for this recipe, this is one of the most important steps. You're definitely going to need your agar powder. I bought this one in my local farmer's market here in Georgia. You could get it online, Amazon, or you could even get it on eBay. It's on eBay, but I got this one for a good price here in Georgia. You're gonna need this. Let's get this recipe together.
T-bone. Yeah. L to the B. Yeah. Yep. I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. Yeah. I want balls, let me. 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 Come on, remedy, see why say I want balls, let me. 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 Come on, remedy, see why say I want balls, let me. Emily Boss, LA Berry, Lower Rick Ross. We did bowl every day.
Now we're moving on to our very next step. Now in that pot, I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of water. Now, the more water, the less sharp the cheese is going to be, and the less water, it's sharper the cheese is going to be. So if you want sharp cheese, then you're going to go ahead and add about 1/3 of a cup. But I don't want it too sharp, so I'm going to put 1.5 cups. Now to that water, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of agar powder. And you just want to go ahead and mix this around, and it starts to come to a light bubble. Now when it looks pretty much like that, you want to go ahead and add it to the blender immediately. And you have to move real fast when you make this cheese stick.
My hand, I make my income. For real, son, I drop the kind of flow that they can't handle. It's kind of funny why the girls keep asking for my handle. See the boys flyer than them, cause me I know be novice. That kind of small boy where they give landlord quick notice.
I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. Yeah. I want balls, let me. 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 Come on, remedy, see.
Okay, so now that I have these all set, I'm going to go ahead and put these in my refrigerator, and they should be set within about 30 to 40 minutes. I'll come right back when that's all done. So it's been 30 minutes since my cheese been sitting in my refrigerator, and it's all set up. All I'm going to do here is pop this out. Look at that. Cheese. Vegan cheese in a Jamaican kitchen.
Balls, let me. I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. Come on, remedy, see why say I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. I want.
Thumbs up, like and share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.